Hey guys, Q here from Ianti Trading, and today I'm going to talk to you about stock symbol KURA. So we're actually about to hit market close, and so the stock is still moving up and down, so we may see it and you may see me react to it as we're talking, but I'm going to talk to you about why I see potential in the stock based on technical analysis. The only fundamental analysis I know about the stock is that it's beat its last earnings expectations by about 7 cents earnings per share. They're still operating at a loss, but they have been moving forward. Now, when I called out this stock yesterday on the group chat, I'll show you, June 11th, keep an eye out on KURA tomorrow. It peaked over the 9 and 20-day moving averages today, and its history shows it rallies on these pops. Strong end of day volume too. So when I called out this stock, it was at this very point. I'll zoom in on this candle, in which I found to have a little bit more volume than its last trading day. Now, in general, the stock has had more volume than usual, and it has been creating a nice coiling pattern for us for the past month or so. The stock has been going up and down, very volatile, but still remaining in its bullish direction. If we zoom in, why did I call out this stock yesterday and how did I find it? I'm not going to go too much in depth on how to find it because I'm not trying to teach you how to trade using a stock screener. If you don't know much about stock screeners, we will have a video about stock screeners coming up. Please subscribe to the channel and you guys will actually get a notification when we do upload that. But my personal favorite is FinViz. If you're not familiar with this website, I love this website. It has every single thing that you need for you to trade successfully. I can't give you the exact measurements that I set in my filters because I was on here for about 2 hours yesterday messing around with the filters. So I honestly, that's too crazy. 2 hours is a lot, guys. You don't need 2 hours, 20 to 30 minutes a day on a stock screener, and you guys should be learning as you go. So spend about 20 to 30 minutes doing your homework, trying out different things, and enjoy it. That's the fun of it. If you want to be a day trader, then messing around with all this stuff should be pretty cool to you. However, if we go back to the stock, I called it out because if you know anything about moving averages, then you know that they act as support and resistance lines, and crossovers are very important. Now, moving averages are indeed a lagging indicator, which means that they tell you after the fact, but the market is all about reacting to what's happening. And so as soon as the stock crossed over those moving averages, the 9 and 20-day moving averages, which should be used as a day trader, most day traders will be using 9 and 20-day moving averages. As soon as the stock crossed over, they automatically became a support to the stock. So you know how resistance and support lines work? They automatically became a support, and so the stock was held up and continued to be held up through the day. It's had an impressive 6% gain since I called it out yesterday. And so yesterday, like I said, June 11th, no emojis, June 11th at night, actually around 3:02 p.m. California time, I called this stock out, and today, June 12th, just the next day, the stock has moved over 6%. So that's an impressive gain by the stock. On the short term, the stock is looking like it's becoming a little overbought. So that's actually not a good thing for us day traders. We want the stock to pull back. Now, one of my members asked me when he should be entering the stock earlier today, and I recommended around 1740. That was my humble opinion on it. And if you guys do your own research, please look at your own technical analysis and see when it's a good entry point for you. But I recommended around 1740 because I noticed that the stock consolidated around that point previously, right where the stock crossed over again. However, as the stock is moving up one more time, you can see that the stock is very much above that point. So what are we waiting for now? Now we're waiting for the stock to actually go back down. It's going to consolidate, assumingly around this area, because now it's had a lot more volume. So the stock will likely form a cup and handle pattern before breaking out. Why do we know that the stock needs to break out above 1770? That is because of its 6-month pattern. So if we zoom out, the stock has been trying to squeeze its way above its previous high, which was 1780. Now the stock has just hit 1769 and it's becoming overbought. Let me add in the RSI to show you what I'm talking about exactly. So the stock is trading around 1769 and it's becoming overbought. Let me show you what I mean by that exactly. Let me zoom in back to the 1 day. As you can see, the RSI has very well crossed over that 70 mark. Now some traders prefer 80, some prefer 70 on the overbought side, but it's definitely overbought. So we do need it to have a pullback. A smart trader would not go in right now. He would wait for that pullback. He would wait for the RSI to drop before entering the stock again, and then waiting for it to cross over the 1780 mark. And so that is a very important point for the stock, because that's what it's been working on, it looks like, for the past few months. It's been working on its way, squeezing over that mark at this very point. Stock looks very promising. Keep an eye out on this one. It's definitely on my watch list. Now, if you guys did enjoy what you watched today, go ahead and subscribe. If you are interested in learning more about the stock market, about day trading, about how it all works, then go ahead and visit our website, ayantitrading.com. We will teach you all about the stock market, how to trade properly, proper entering and exit points. If you know nothing about the stock market, we will also teach you everything you need to know. Just visit our website. Follow us on Instagram, Ayanti Trading. And if you are interested in joining the group for the rest of June, I'm having free entry to the group chat. I do like to keep a small group chat, so I won't be taking everybody. If you are indeed an interactive person on the group chat, then I want you to be in the chat. I like to interact with people. I like to talk back and forth. I like to see people's 2 cents. If you're not going to communicate, then unfortunately we have no room for you. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. If you guys did like what you see, like I said, hit subscribe. Again, this is Q from Ayanti Trading.